Here's where we're at. We had 2 days off, or Corey did anyway, and he was a busy boy. He decided to take apart the front of the camper because upon inspection, when he was taking the rest of the bedding part down, he noticed some serious rot down here in the corner. Complete hole. Figured, better take the bottom part apart because there was another hole in that corner. Big giant hole. So while I was at work, he ripped off the front and sent me pictures, which kind of freaked me out, honestly. Anyway, here he is. He's now finishing the side of this. So explain what you did, babe.
Hey guys, welcome back or to the channel. Here's with a little bit of an update. So, as you know,
Better shot of that. Oh, and there's sun. We have sun in February.
we took the walls down inside and I found some
Serious.
water rot in a 2x2 framing in the front. So I've taken the whole front apart. I'll insert some pictures here of what it looked like. I forgot to actually film. So I took the front apart. I'll put some pictures here of what it looked like. Right now I'm just putting it back together. Doing it right, guys. Doing it right. Well guys, sorry, it's coffee time. As you see in those pictures, had some major repairs to do, ripping apart the whole front. Here's what it looks like on the inside. So as you see, that's the corner where all the water damage was. Had to replace all of that. That's why the whole front was taken apart. All along the bottom. All the way over to the other corner, replaced all the way over. So it should be good and strong. Right there. So while I had it apart, I actually took all the insulation out from underneath the bed as well. Put all new insulation in there, all new 2x2s. I did put a couple 2x4s to make sure it's nice and strong. Sealed it back up. It's going to be awesome. I got a lot to do yet, guys. Make sure you follow along. And please, smash that like button for us. It takes no time at all for you. And do the little subscribe. I'd appreciate it so much. So would the wife. What's next projects? Let me show you. So one of the things that we decided to do was remove the old countertop as well. Since we're gutting this, we're gonna gut it. All about staying within the budget, guys. So we managed to go out last weekend and find a deal and a half on a new countertop. Here is our new countertop, guys. Got it for $20 at a used store. That is going to be the new top to go in right up here. It is gonna look amazing when it's done. First I want to say sorry I haven't put up very many videos lately, guys. I've been sick and I've been working a lot. The wife's been working a lot. But we need to get her done. So I'm going to start putting out more videos of exactly what we're doing. A little bit of a step-by-step without taking up too much of your time, because we appreciate you guys that follow us and watch us. Love the comments. We always try and read them. Love the input that you guys give. You know what? Until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Hope to see you soon.